Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание, веселье в школе. Страница 112-113. English, Spotlight 3, homework. Fun at school, page number 112, 113. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I am very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 112. 112. Exercise number 1. Look, read and say yes or no. Посмотрите на картинку. Прочитайте и скажите yes или no. The answers. There are 9 children in the picture. No. There is a girl on the sofa. Yes. The girl on the sofa has got fair hair. Yes. 2 boys are dancing. No. A girl is playing the piano. Yes. A boy is singing. Yes. 2 girls are drinking Coke. No. There is a boy on the table. No. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Sing along. We are having a good time. We are having a good time. A fabulous fun time. We are painting our faces. We are running in races. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. A fabulous fun time. The park bells are ringing. We are laughing and singing. We're having a good time. Спойте песенку. Repeat after me. Read once more. We're having a good time. A fabulous fun time. We are painting our faces. We are running in races. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. A fabulous fun time. The park bells are ringing. We're laughing and singing. We're having a good time. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 113. 113. Fun at school. Rhyme time. Look, read and complete. Веселье в школе. Время рифмы. Посмотрите, прочитайте и допишите слово. Massy's got a mouse and it's got long tail. Holly's got a horse and its name is Gale. Robbie's got a rabbit. It can jump on his bed. Bonnie's got a bird. It can fly on her head. Freddy's got a fish. It can swim and swim. and Dan has got a dog. It can run like him. And now, boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Now answer the questions. Who's got a mouse? What is Gale? What can Robbie's rabbit do? What can Bonnie's bird do? What can swim? What can Dan and his dog do? Ответьте на вопросы. The answers. Who's got a mouse? Macy has. What is Gale? Gale is a horse. What can Robbie's rabbit do? It can jump up on his bed. What can Bonnie's bird do? It can fly on Bernie's head. What can swim? Freddy's fish. What can Dan and his dog do? They can run. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.